Hi, I'm Carl Kennedy J. Mata, taking a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. In this video, I will show you the journey of my on-the-job training and bulk package solution incorporated in Naga City. Trainees often work alongside experienced developers, promoting collaboration and knowledge sharing within the team. Opportunities for professional growth within the company or industry may arise from the successful completion of OJT programs. Providing adequate resources such as mentorship, tools, and infrastructure is essential for the success of OJT programs but may require significant investment. Encouraging trainees to work on real-world projects or contribute to ongoing initiative allows for practical application of skills and foster confidence. Bulk Package Solutions Incorporated is established in June 5, 2015. It is located at Sitio Matiway, Almeda Road, Naga City. SecurePOS is our eKYC service provider that verifies the identity of a customer in an easier way. Here is the step-by-step procedure on how to create an account in application of SecurePOS. On the screen, you will see the username and password. You will put your desired username and password to create your own account. After you click the sign in account, an OTP will send to your Gmail. After you click the submit, you will see on the screen the organizational name and the business industry that you will be having. You will put your business name on the organizational name and you will choose what type of business you will be having. After creating your organizational name and business industry, you will click the submit button and the dashboard will appear on your screen and you will see the status of your business. On the upper left side of the dashboard, you will see the menu with the different services and products of SecurePOS. On the menu, you will see the different services or products of SecurePOS like ID verification, face and ID comparison, ID OCR, OTP, SMS, email SMS, and other. In this picture, you will see the different error that I am debugging in the system. In this picture, you will see some slides that we created to make a pitch deck presentation for some clients of SecurePOS. The application that we use to create this presentation is Figma. Mag-release ng new product na talagang walang idea yung user kung ano yung product na yun. Doon kami na medyo nahirapan.